At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com Weekly Crop Report for November 10th, 2011. This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. This week we'll be reviewing the latest USDA WASDE report that was released on November 9th. The USDA reported 2011-2012 corn ending stocks at 843 million bushel, 23 million bushel lower than the October estimate, but higher than the average analyst estimate of 795 million bushel. The average corn yield was lowered from 148.1 bushels per acre in October to 146.7 bushels per acre. This was lower than the average analyst expectation of 147.7. Feed and residual use was lowered by 100 million bushel, while ethanol and export demand was left unchanged. The 2011-2012 global corn carryout was lowered from 123.19 million metric tons in October to 121.57 million metric tons. This was a bearish report for corn futures as ending stocks came in higher than expectations. However, the market may take this report with a grain of salt due to the further reduction in feed, the lower U.S. national yield, and lower world corn ending stocks. On the soybean front, the USDA reported U.S. 2011-2012 soybean ending stocks at 195 million bushel, 35 million bushels higher than the October report, and 13 million bushels higher than the average analyst expectation. The U.S. national average soybean yield was lowered from last month's estimate of 41.5 bushels per acre to 41.3 bushels per acre. This was lower than the average analyst expectation of 41.4. Exports were lowered by 15 million bushel, offsetting the decrease in supply. The 2011-2012 global soybean carryout was raised from 63.01 million metric tons in October to 63.56 million metric tons in November, but still well below 2010's 68.37 million metric ton carryout. This was a bearish report for soybean futures, even though U.S. production was lowered. The further reduction in export demand due to weak October sales caused the ending stocks number to be reported higher than the average analyst expectation. The USDA reported all 2011-2012 wheat ending stocks at 828 million bushel, 9 million bushel lower than in October's estimate, but 11 million bushel more than the average analyst expectation of 817 million bushel. The U.S. national average yield was lowered from 43.9 bushels per acre in October to 43.7 bushels per acre. Analysts were not expecting a change in yield, as adjustments are usually finished by this time of the year. Total supply was lowered and no changes to demand were made. The 2011-2012 global wheat carryout increased from 202.37 reported in the October report to 202.6 million metric tons. This was a bearish report for wheat futures since the market was expecting lower ending stocks. The lack of upward adjustment to feed usage does not make much sense, as corn feed demand was lowered by 100 million bushel. That's all for this week. Have a nice week.